Jai Hind cadets, today we are going to study about India, size and location. India is located within both the eastern hemisphere like the rest of Asia and the northern hemisphere. India is considered part of the South Asia region and it is the 7th largest country in the world by the geographical size. This is the location of India here. This side north, this side south, this side eastern hemisphere, this side western hemisphere. So India lies in the northern hemisphere and the eastern hemisphere. The location of India is in north and east, northeast direction. And when we talk about in which continent it is located in Asia, and in Asia, southern part of Asia. The mainland of India extends between, this is the latitude, 8 degree 4 minute and 37 degree 6 minute north latitude and 68 degree 7 minute east and 97 degree 25 minute east longitude. This is the coordinate of India. The Tropic of Cancer divides India into almost two halves and the degree of Tropic of Cancer is 23.5 degree. In the lower half of India, that is southern region, there is tropical type of climate, whereas in the northern region there is temperate type of climatic condition. So there are basically two climatic regions in India. This Tropic of Cancer, above the Tropic of Cancer, it lies in the temperate belt, and south of Tropic of Cancer it lies in the tropical belt. That is why in India there is two climatic regions. The Tropic of Cancer passes through Gujarat, Rajasthan, Maharashtra, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Tripura and Mizoram. There is a time lag of 2 hours from Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh. Here is Arunachal Pradesh, this side Gujarat. There is difference of 2 hours, time lag of 2 hours. The distance from north to south is 3214 km, and the in north it is Indra Kol in Ladakh, and in south it is Kanyakumari in Tamil Nadu. They are making the northern and southern borders. When we talk about the eastern and western, the distance is 2933 km, and the eastern side is Kibitu, Arunachal Pradesh, and western side is Gohar Moti in Gujarat. They are the border regions. Now Indian Standard Meridian. Indian Standard Meridian is 82 degree 30 minute east, which is in Mirzapur near Prayagraj. Tropic of Cancer passes through, just now we have discussed these all states. Once again we are studying Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Tripura and Mizoram. Okay, when we talk about the largest country, India is the 7th largest country in the world. Then which is the first largest? Russia is the first largest, and then Canada, United States, China, Brazil, Australia, and then comes India. The longitude of 82.5 degree east is considered as the standard meridian. The local time stated or mentioned at this meridian, which passes through Mirzapur in Uttar Pradesh, is considered as the standard time for the whole country. This is called as the Indian Standard Time. In short, it is called IST. Andaman and Nicobar Island lies to the southeast of Indian mainland, while as Lakshadweep Island lies to the southwest of Indian mainland. Andaman and Nicobar is located in Bay of Bengal and which covers the east coast of India, and Lakshadweep Island is located in Arabian Sea which covers the east coast of India. Indira Point, southernmost point of India's territory, is a village in the Nicobar district at Great Nicobar Island of Andaman and Nicobar Islands in India. Indira Point got submerged under sea water in 2004 due to tsunami. India is the 7th largest country in the world, following Russia, Canada, USA, China, Brazil and Australia. In that order, it occupies 2.4% of the world's total area. India is the second most populous country in the world next to China. India has the longest coastline with the Indian Ocean. As a result, it occupies very eminent position in Indian Ocean, and it is the only country which justifies the naming of an ocean after it. India is connected with Europe, North America and South America through both of the routes, the Cape of Good Hope and the Suez Canal. Since the opening of the Suez Canal in 1869, distance between India and Europe has been reduced by 7,000 kilometers. This is the two water bodies. Here is Suez Canal in Egypt. Suez Canal connecting Mediterranean Sea and Red Sea. And after the opening of the Suez Canal, distance reduced 7,000 kilometers. Earlier ships were moving through the Cape of Good Hope, like this, from this figure. It was taking much time and burning of fuel was more. By the opening of Suez Canal, now it is reduced. Time saving, fuel conservation is also done there. India's relationship through the land routes are much older than maritime contacts. These routes have contributed in the exchange of ideas and commodities since ancient times. The ideas of the Upanishads, the Ramayana, the stories of Panchtantra, the Indian numerals and decimal system reached many parts of the world. The spices, muslin and other merchandise were taken from India to different countries. The influence of Greek sculpture and architectural styles of dome and minarets from West Asia can be seen in different parts of India. Before 1947, there were two types of states in India, the province and the princely states. The Silk Route were a complex network of trade routes that gave people the chance to exchange goods and culture. There are 12 Silk Road sites in India. These are spread across 7 states in India. They are Bihar, Jammu Kashmir, Maharashtra, Puducherry, Punjab, Tamil Nadu and Uttar Pradesh. Neighboring India's neighbors. India shares its land boundaries with Pakistan and Afghanistan in the northwest. This side, northwest. China means part of China. That part is called Tibet. Nepal, Bhutan in the north and Myanmar and Bangladesh in the east. India has 29 states and 7 union territories earlier, but in present time there are 28 states and 8 union territories. The Sri Lanka and Maldives are the 2 island countries which are the southern neighbors of India. The narrow channel of sea which separates India from Sri Lanka is called Pak Strait. The narrow channel of sea is formed by Pak Strait and Gulf of Mannar. Maldives Islands are situated to the south of Lakshadweep Islands. From this figure, many things are clear. Here is Pak Strait, Gulf of Mannar. This place southern tip, that is Kanyakumari. Thank you.